1928 Ditchburn launch, a 26-footer powered by a Buchanan. I love these quote-unquote old-fashioned removable tops. I'm not sure that our modern tops are much more efficient or reliable than these canvas jobs.
Come on by. Yeah.
Beautiful Ditchburn. Here's another cool blast from the past, viewers. A 1903 Pioneer boat. Built by, pardon me, the boat's name is Pioneer. Built by Minette. 25-footer with a 4-horsepower electric engine. Isn't that unique? I wonder if she was always powered that way. Quite possibly. I know the Elko Boat Company has been producing electric boats for, if I understand correctly, well over a century. We've got Lady Jane here, viewers, a 1925 Ditchburn.
To the green. Closest 3 of all those guys.
The ultimate in long deck cruising. This boat is for sale, actually. Not on our website at the moment, but possibly in the future.
I was on the green, but he was.
It's quite the spotlight on the front of her.
So then we went to playoffs. 3 teams. That's all.
Beautifully restored and maintained, obviously. We have a couple of gentlemen's racers across the way here. Let's go and check them out. And I'll quickly pan around the dock for you. Now here's a boat that doesn't seem to appear too often, viewers. Caprice. Torpedo stern boat. Beautiful, beautiful finish on her. The glove boxes are wonderful. I'm not sure what the wood is, but it's fantastic. She's a 1936 Minette Shields, owned by Alf Mortimer, 26-footer, powered by a Chrysler 8-cylinder 150 horsepower engine. I bet she flies.
Right. I had to get it over for the show. Yeah.
We're focusing here on our gentlemen's racers. This one's called Lightning, built in 2002 by Peter Breen, 22.5 feet, powered by a 350 Chev. No doubt she really moves through the water as well. Looks like a 2-seater. Whether that's a mother-in-law seat or just storage is a good question. Great lines on her. And across the way here we have another gentleman's racer. This one's called Muskoka Magic, owned by Grant and Barbara Baxter. I'm not sure she qualifies as a gentleman's racer, actually. I know she's powered by a 4-cylinder 60 horsepower engine. So I guess she's more really like a cruising launch. For anybody that knows Grant Baxter, they know that he has a tradition of running kilometer after kilometer for many, many years. Great athlete. And a great boat. Across the way, viewers, we have Heather Bell. Heather Bell is a poster boat for the show this year. And she's very, very old. We'll go and do a close-up shortly, but she's powered by an electric engine at this point. And I believe it's an Elko, unless I'm mistaken. What a great old cruiser. We have L'Aiglon here, viewers, 1931 Ditchburn, 21-footer. She was for sale not that many years ago. Looks like her new owners are taking good care of her.
Probably not till around 4 o'clock.
Here we have just Peachy, a Port Carling Boat Works cigar boat. A restoration by Mike Hansberger. It's built in 36, as we mentioned, 23-footer, powered by a straight 8 Chrysler engine. Now this proves that Port Carling Boats was able to produce a pretty extravagant vessel. Many of their Port Carling Boat Works boats were sort of friendly user boats, but this is a very upscale Port Carling Boat Works, and she's a seabird. This is the most exotic seabird I've ever laid eyes on. Beautiful. Through our viewfinder here, viewers, we've got Seahorse, a 1927 Manette Shields 35-footer. Looks like her upholstery might be almost original. Pretty massive boat. Once again with the steering wheel throttle. Those throttles were known to have their issues if you happen to catch a... Here we have the only Fiberglassic or Fiber Classic, if you prefer, at the show today that I've noticed, viewers. A 21-foot Century Coronado, powered by a Gray Fireball 225 horsepower. Beautifully maintained or restored, probably restored. One great feature of these boats is the fact that the top, the roof, slides back and forth. Very handy depending on weather conditions. Interesting that her throttle is a gas pedal. I don't know if you can see that there, but that's a beautiful example of a fiberglass classic boat. Here we have our poster boat, viewers. 1902 Heather Bell, built by the Marine Engine and Machine Company. She's a cabin launch of 36 feet, and she does have an electric 8-horsepower engine. And her home is on the Lake of Bays. The owner has been kind enough to bring her to the show today on Lake Rosso. Wonderful old boat. Too bad all our possessions don't last over 100 years. We'd save a lot of money. Well, we're almost finished our tour here. We'll take one last look at a beautiful long deck launch.
I'd like to see that engine.
Love these wicker chairs. No description on her. She's another mint condition vessel. Well, that's it for the show today, viewers. Many thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed viewing some of these wooden beauties. And we hope you'll subscribe to the Port Carling Boats website for updates on wooden boats for sales and all things woody boating. Thanks for watching again. Over and out.